Good morning, everyone. It is another day here in Cozumel. We got up kind of early. Jason got a little bit of work done on the computer. We're making our way back downtown, which is about a 30-minute walk, so that we can rent a buggy, hopefully for tomorrow, but we may look and see what it costs for today and tomorrow. That way we can explore the island a little bit more.
Oh, hello. Oh, we got another friend that came along with it. How are ya? How are ya? All right, so we are back at HTL. We're getting ready to rent us a buggy for tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're gonna go right around the island and check everything out. It's supposed to be really neat.
Let's see if we can go find Francisco.
Who's Francisco?
He's the guy we met here.
Oh, he's the guy that we're gonna rent
Francisco?
from.
Thank you. No, we were in here the other day talking to Francisco.
Oh, sure. It's Francisco.
Awesome, thank
No
you.
worries. Only give me 1 minute.
Which one are you gonna take? The dumb boogie?
That's what we're going to start with for tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Today, working tomorrow.
Just tomorrow.
Just tomorrow.
Yes.
Please, I need your signature on this line. Just one flavor. Can you scan this one because this is your ticket?
All right, so we just got our paperwork done for renting a buggy tomorrow, so pretty excited about that.
Like, I thought it was going to be a little harder to get the buggy, so we came down here today to rent it for tomorrow. But he thought we were going to be renting it today, so we really didn't need to come down here today.
But that's all right, we got all the paperwork. We'll be down here around, it's 7:30 tomorrow waiting, I think. I think that'd be good. She says 8 o'clock, but we'll get down here early so we can get an early start and go ride around the island. He said it takes about 2 hours if you don't stop. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool, pretty excited about it, and we'll see y'all in the morning. All right, so we haven't had anything for breakfast, so we're gonna go up here. There was a bunch of restaurants right next to the local market that we ate at, or that we walked through. So we're gonna go and try some of the food out there. No, thank you. We're going right here. Go right here. Gracias. Here, I'll sit across for you.
So this place has a ton of seats, and I thought it was just one big restaurant, but as we started walking through, other people were trying to get us to come into their restaurant. So in this area, it looks like there's probably 4 or 5 different restaurants. I was actually looking at the one behind us, and they're the furthest one back, and I'm sure that's probably hard to get people coming in because they're passing all these different stalls. So we're at the second to last one because this is the menu that we looked at first, and I'm sure it's going to be good.
What did you get, Jessica?
Quesadilla.
I got the same thing, but it was
He got
lamb.
I got beef. He don't even like lamb.
I don't know, I might like lamb.
He doesn't like lamb.
Gracias. Ooh, do you have cheese in yours?
Yeah, that's the queso
Oh, that's the queso part. Spicy. Spicy?
Spicy.
This one, okay. Okay, mild.
Put that one over here.
All right.
Take a picture of me and my face.
All right, that is what ours looks like. All right, let's dig in. Ooh, so I got the lamb. So let's see what it tastes like. I think she was saying it was more duck that I don't like. Lamb's not bad, actually. Okay, so she said this one was hot. This is hot.
Tread lightly. Oh, that's still hot. Oh, that's really hot. Maybe you should go mix it up.
I'm not a food critic, so I'm not really good at describing it, but the lamb's great. All right, so I want you to look at my hands, and I want you to look at Jessica's hands. She is getting in it. All right, so we just finished up lunch, and it was a delicious.
Delicioso.
That's what she said. And now we're off to find another ATM.
Because the last one didn't have a spot to put your card. It was like the only thing you could do was off an app on your phone, which we don't have. So the guy at the restaurant said, up here there's a Domino's, take a left, and we should be able to find another ATM. So we'll see.
Up to the ATM. We can share one.
I think I'm fine with just a plain chocolate banana.
It's always weird eating a banana for some reason. Mmm.
Yep, so we didn't make it very far. Found the ice cream spot, checked it out. They had a chocolate covered frozen banana. So we decided to split, which was awesome because it's hot outside. So now we're gonna actually try and find the ATM.
All right, so we went too far. We had to go in a store and ask somebody, but looks like we went past the banks and now we're walking back the other direction. Right there is the Domino's. And we ended up walking way down there. All right, so no go on this ATM. It was all in.
I'm sure it works, but it doesn't work for us because we can't read it.
It was in Spanish. We couldn't figure out how to get it into English. So we're going back down to where we pulled money out the other day, but it's a little bit of a walk, so we were trying to prevent that. So that's what we're doing. It is what it is, and let's go. All right, we made it to our ATM that we know works for us, and we know how to operate it. I think that's the biggest thing. So, yeah, somebody helped us last time. I think I can remember.
This one's cooler than all the other ones.
Yeah, it's down here in this corner. Okay.
This thing, oh, see, it has like the little world.
Yeah, that thing.
The other ones do not.
English. So Jessica just realized that she may have been putting her credit card into the ATM and not her debit card. But saying that, we still couldn't get it to go to English.
No.
But we think that we may have, yeah, I don't know. We couldn't figure it out. But we know this one.
But I'm wondering if I was clicking the right button in Spanish, because there's only like 3 options. And I think I was hitting the right one. It was just that it was on my credit card and kept canceling it out.
All right, so we got our money.
So a little pro tip is when they're asking about the conversion, always decline that, because you're gonna pay for a conversion rate here and then your bank does a conversion rate. So you don't want to double pay. So always decline the conversion, and then some banks, depending on who your bank is, will actually refund you that as well. So good to know.
Good to know. Now we're gonna get because it's a decent walk back, we're gonna get
And my back's killing me.
And her back's killing her. We're gonna get a moto taxi, and we're gonna get a ride back to the Airbnb.
And we've never done a motor taxi before.
There goes one right there. All right, we're getting a ride, 40 pesos. Here we go. Thank you, appreciate it.
Got our first moto taxi.
And so that wasn't too bad. I mean, what was the cost on that?
It was $2, but I gave him $2.50, only because I think this lady's place is really hard to find. So when they show the address, people don't really seem to understand where it's at. So he thought it was, I I don't know, about a mile back and had to go a little bit further. So it was 40, I gave him 50, which was $2.50 to save me a 30-minute walk.
All right, guys, I think we're going to call it a day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave any comments if you have any. We'll be checking those out. And we'll see you on the next video.